We are GI Junkaway, one call and junk's gone today. Hello, here we are in beautiful Temecula, California. Got a call from somebody who thinks this tree right here is junk, and we are GI Junkaway. That's Blake over there, about to get to business. Hey. Let's get it done. See that? We use all electric tools. We don't make a whole bunch of noise. Top of the line. And there he's cutting out his notch in the direction we want that little tree to fall. Now the back cut. Timber! Right where we wanted it, of course. So I'm not going to bore you watching this whole film. Just want to give you a little shout out, a little idea to what we do. GI Junkaway. We are GI Junkaway, one call and junk's gone today.